pencil with you. The chord progression is 1, 5, 6, 4, right? In the key of C, C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is G. 6 is A. 4 is F. So those are the chords we're playing. We're going to always start here in root position with a C. We're on page 58. When we go to the 5 is a G, and we're going to play it in first inversion because G is already up there. Between G and A, there are no notes in common. So we're going to have to move everything up for A minor in first inversion. And to get to the F, check it out. The chord F has F, A, and C. Here's an F. The A and C are already there. So that's F in second inversion. So let's play that again. C in root position. G in first inversion. A minor in first inversion. F in second inversion. Any questions about that? The left hand is only playing the roots. The roots of each chord. If the chord is F, the root is F. If the chord is A, the root is A. Right? All right, let's do this in the next key here, the key of G. In G, these are the notes of the G scale. So you know now already that if any note there is in any of those chords is an F, it will be sharp because the G scale has an F sharp. So chord 1 is G. 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is D, right? D is already up here. The chord D has D, skip, skip, D, F, and A, but all the F's in G are sharp, so the bottom note here, the F will be sharp, right? So let's go back and forth from G to D. That's a 1, 5. Now to go to 6, see here's D, and that's 5. 1 up is 6. We want E minor. All of the fingers in the right hand, all of them are going to move up to E minor in first inversion. And then we need a C chord. C has a C, so middle note goes up to C. It has an E, which is already here, and it has a G that is down there. Let's play that. Let's play it. Let's chunk it. Chunk it meaning repeat the chord on every beat 4 times each. Ready? Go. In D major. In E minor. In C major. Any questions about this one? Let's play this one more time. If anybody feels compelled to belt a song that they remember from this while we play, why not? Do it, and I might have, what could I give you as a reward? I think I might have gum in my purse. Next time I'll bring stickers with the stars. 1, 2, ready, and G. E minor. C. And that's it. How's it going? Is it making sense, sort of, kind of? Awesome. Let's now add the key of F. F, take your pencils if you haven't done this yet. Let's write the chord symbols. Chord F1 is F, right? If you want to notate it, it will look like so, F-A-C. C is 5. There's already a C up here, so that stays in the same place. Common tone. The other notes of C are C, skip 1 is E, skip 1 is G, and they're going to be below. When we go to D, there are no notes in common between C and D, so every note here of this chord is going to go up by 1. D, F on the bottom, A in the middle. When you go to B flat, you need a B. There's an A here, so the closest B flat is right here. The other notes are B flat, D, and F. So the outer notes, you see, they stay the same. I wrote this minor here. Do not worry about this. I was being fanciful. But now let's play it. So we have F in root position, C in first inversion, so top note stays, and then we need a E, and then we need a G. Then every note moves up by 1 for D minor. Then to get to B flat, we only need to move the middle note up to B flat. And that's it. Easy peasy. Let's chunk it. Ready. And F. Going to C. Going to D minor. Let's do that one again. Back to F. I did fancy stuff on the left hand because I have ADD. But you